Hello all, today in this video, previously if you are following our channel means you would have seen a scatter plot with only one plot. Here we are defining four plots. So first, as you know, we have to import the libraries. The libraries we are using here are the NumPy, Pandas, Math, Random and Matplotlib. So first we are running the libraries. Then since we are using four columns, I am just displaying four values, that the absolute value, and it's a random value, and it is from 112 to 100 for the point 1, and for the second point it is an absolute value, and it is an random value with normal distribution from 2, 8 and 100. And then we have declared the point 3 variable and also as followed by the point 4. Now to generate the x and the y variable, we are using this 4 points to for the x variable. For the y variable, we are just making to vary from 0 to 3. That's all. So then we are just declaring a data within a data frame, and just we are calling all the 4 points within that, which is column 1, column 2 and column 3. This column 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we can just run this code. After that this column 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 we are just calling in a subplot to show that, and then we also saving this in an figure name called visualize.jpg and jpg, and then I'm displaying that graph. So for that I'm just running the code. You can see four subplot, one graph with four subplot is got, and you can also see which is the line scatter plot. So in the next video we can see some other Python basic graphs. Thank you.